Games that rely on entry fees or competitive matches often avoid interrupting every round with advertisements, making the experience much smoother than many free-to-play mobile games. By the end of this video, you'll know 7 games that are known for uninterrupted gameplay during matches, and why they're popular with players who don't want constant ad breaks. The first game is Solitaire Cash. Once you're in a match, the focus stays on playing solitaire instead of watching ads between every round. That creates a faster and more consistent experience. Second is Bingo Cash. Competitive bingo matches move from one game to the next without stopping for advertisements, so you can stay focused instead of waiting through repeated interruptions. Third is Blackout Bingo. It follows a similar format, giving players continuous bingo gameplay during matches instead of inserting ads after every completed round. The fourth recommendation is Bubble Cash. The gameplay centers on bubble shooting competitions, and the match flow stays uninterrupted, making it a good option for players who prefer quick sessions. Fifth is 21 Cash. This game combines card-based gameplay with competitive matches, allowing players to move through games without constant advertising breaking the rhythm. The sixth choice is Pool Payday. If you enjoy pool games, you'll appreciate that competitive matches are designed to keep gameplay moving instead of pausing after every round for video ads. The final pick is Dominoes Gold. Players who enjoy classic board games can compete in domino matches while avoiding the repeated ad interruptions that are common in many free casual games. One reason these games feel smoother is that their business model doesn't depend on showing advertisements after every match. Instead, the focus stays on the gameplay experience, especially during competitive sessions. That doesn't mean you'll never see an advertisement anywhere in the app. You may still encounter promotional content in menus, optional reward sections, or special offers. The difference is that the core gameplay usually isn't interrupted between every round. Before joining paid competitions, spend time learning the controls through any available practice or free modes. A smoother experience is helpful, but understanding the game mechanics is even more important if real money is involved. To recap, Solitaire Cash, Bingo Cash, Blackout Bingo, Bubble Cash, 21 Cash, Pool Payday, and Dominoes Gold all provide gameplay experiences that are generally free from ads between competitive rounds. Choose the game genre you already enjoy instead of downloading every option at once. You'll have a better experience with familiar gameplay and spend less time learning new mechanics. If this video helped, leave a like, subscribe, and check out our other videos covering the best real money games and reward apps available in 2026.